Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jelly Buendia. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan. Nakalimutan ko.
Sige nga, nagbuga ka ng uso.
Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na mag-ingat sa aso. Maniwala kayo, nakagat na ako. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Be mesmerized by the beauty of candidate number 7.
Ladies and gentlemen.
My name is BM the Big Mouth at ako po'y naniniwala sa kasabihan na hindi na baling magtaas ang presyo ng gaas, makahawak lang ng titing matigas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for candidate number 8.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Bubay at isa lang po ang pinaniniwalaan kong kasabihan. Ang titing maliit, bullshit.
Alam mo yung kasabihan pinaniniwalaan ko. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is candidate number 9.
Come here, baby.
Attitude lang yan.
Ako si Pitir! At naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na ang titing maliit ay hindi masakit sa puwit. Pero mas naniniwala ko ang titing malaki kaya lang di.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. Here, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number 10. Excuse me po. Swimsuit na, oh. Swimsuit na, balot ka pa. Tabigin mo yung swimsuit and check out. Tabigin mo yung na. My God. In fairness sa ating ngayon, kinis ng puwet mo, ah. Ang totoo niya, mas makinis kaysa mukha mo. Sana puwet ka na na.
Ano mo ba rin? Hoy ko kaya? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maria Leonora Teresa. Ano ang? Ubado din ba? Ako po si Maria.
Pati ng panty. Bukan ba na? Baka magulat kayo.
Okay, lupad ko. Ako po si Maria Leonora Teresa. Nung mula po sa itaas, bumaba sa lupa, para sumigaw ng punong walang himala. Ako po ang naniniwala sa kasabihan na ang bukid maluwag, punong-puno ng kapag. Maraming salamat.
Bastos ni Ate Guy.
Ako po ay taga-Nabotas, bukid mo, bukid niya, Nabotas,
There you have it, ladies. May isa pa ba? May humabol mga kaibigan. Candidate number 11. Ay, may kailangan, Ate Gay. Baka babatiin ka. Ano daw?
Natahi lang.
Ay, sige na ba? Ate Gay, may mga kumakain, leche ka. Question and answer portion. Candidate number 1, step forward, please. Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Oh, baby, give me your most difficult question, because I highly believe that among these puny candidates, I'm definitely the most intelligent.
Okay, what can you say about the unrest in London?
That's so difficult. I swear. But before I directly answer your intellectual question, which deserves an equally intellectual answer, may I remind everybody that ever since I was young, my parents raised me with the thought that the less talk, less mistakes. So I'd rather not talk so as not to commit any mistakes. Thank you!
Sabi mo sinabi, hindi ka pa nasasagot? Candidate number 2, please.
Yes?
What can you say about the United Nations?
Well, the United Nations. The one parallel to Calao?
No, not the street, the organization.
Oh, the organization. I'm so sorry. Well, I think, ladies and gentlemen, that the United Nations is one of the best nations in the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3. If you were to become an animal, what animal would you like to be?
An amphibian,
Why amphibian?
because an amphibian can live both land and water.
Give us an example of an amphibian.
A frog,
How about another example?
oh, another frog. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 5. What for you is the most important planet?
Well, I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that the most important planet is the planet Mercury.
Why Mercury?
Dahil sa Mercury, nakakasigurado tayong gamot ay laging bago. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. Next candidate, please. What can you say about Balikatan 2011?
I think Balikatan 2011 is better than Balikatan 2010. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next candidate, please. Miss Antarctica.
Good evening.
I have read in your bio data that your most favorite subject is mathematics.
Yes, indeed.
Your question would come from math. SM Mall of Asia is considered as one of the biggest malls in the world. Now, how many toilets are there in SM Mall of Asia?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that in Mall of Asia, they have only 4 CRs, comfort rooms.
What are they?
For female, male, out of order, and for disabled. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Next candidate, please. Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Of course, easy called question.
What's an easy question?
It's a combination of easy and difficult question.
Okay, here's the difficult one first.
Thank you.
If you were to become the President of the Republic of the Philippines, name the 3 things that you will prioritize in order for you to alleviate the economic situation of the country and better the lives of the Filipino people. Bakit po?
Easy na lang po.